In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine images in Leonardo AI step by step using Realtime Canvas to merge two graphics into one clean, blended result. This is a great workflow if you want to create composite visuals, build concept art, or mix two separate images into a more polished design without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Leonardo AI and get started. First, open Leonardo AI and from the left side menu, click Realtime Canvas. Once the canvas opens, you may see some default items already on the workspace, so take a moment to clear those out if needed. Starting with a clean canvas makes it much easier to arrange your images properly and control the final blend. Now that your workspace is ready, it's time to add your first image. On the left toolbar, click Add Image, then upload the first graphic from your device. After it uploads, place it onto the canvas where you want it to start. You can keep it centered or position it off to one side depending on the composition you're trying to create. Next, add your second image. Click Add Image again, upload the second graphic, and place it on the canvas as well. At this point, both images should be visible in the workspace, giving you the base elements for your combined design. Now comes the important part. Positioning and resizing. Use the Select or Move tool, usually shown as an arrow, to click and drag each image into the right spot. You can overlap them if you want them to blend together naturally, or keep them partially separated if you're aiming for a more stylized composite. Resize the images as needed so the proportions look balanced and the final result feels intentional. Take your time here because the placement of each image will affect how well Leonardo AI can merge them. Once both images are positioned the way you want, go to the bottom text box and write your merge prompt. This is where you tell Leonardo AI how the two images should blend. Be specific about the style, lighting, mood, texture, or transformation you want. For example, you can describe a seamless blend, a realistic composite, or a fantasy-inspired fusion depending on your goal. The more clearly you explain the desired result, the better the output will usually be. After your prompt is ready, review everything one more time. Make sure the images are in the right place and the prompt matches the effect you want. Then, let Leonardo AI process the composition. Once the result looks good, hit download to save your finished image to your device. And that's it, you've now learned how to combine images in Leonardo AI using Realtime Canvas. This method is simple, fast, and perfect for creating unique AI-generated visuals from multiple sources. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Leonardo AI tutorials coming soon.